Right now, more than ever, you need to prepare for what's coming. If you work a 9-to-5 job, you don't need to quit tomorrow, but what you do need is you need an exit plan. You need to be prepared just in case something happens. Not only do we have AI coming in strong, but anything could happen as soon as tomorrow and you lose your job. You may get laid off, you could get fired, you never know what could happen. So what I like to do is I like to set up systems in order to prepare you for situations that could happen and most likely will happen eventually. Now, if you're somebody that's been working a 9-to-5 job and you're just not enjoying it and you want some extra income, this video is for you. Or if you're somebody that wants to replace your 9-to-5 income with digital income, this video is also for you. So one thing for certain, I've built one of the biggest digital product brands online and I've made millions of dollars, so I can most certainly tell you a thing or two about making money with digital products. And not just any digital products. The products that I focus on are PLR digital products. PLR stands for private label rights. This means these are ready-made products that you can just tap into, put your brand name on, and start selling right away. So what I want you to do right now is imagine waking up to sales. These are sales ranging from $7 to $70. Multiple sales a day because you put systems in place, selling digital products that you didn't even create. That is the power of private label rights digital products. Now, even though I've been selling them for about 15 years, I really started strong about 5 years ago when I launched my brand PLR Hustle. And whenever I started waking up to these sales nonstop, $3 here, $30 there, $50 here, $25 there, I started to see a pattern here. Whenever people see products price lower, it's something called impulse buying. And when that happens, you'll find yourself making $20 or $30, $7 sales in a single day. That's because the price like that is considered low-hanging fruit for people. So they are going to most likely pull the trigger and make a purchase from you faster than they would something that is $9.97. So you can make a whole lot of money, not only selling low-ticket digital products, but also private label rights digital products that are already created for you. So there's so many different ways to sell PLR products. Now, I mainly focus on 3 avenues: Instagram ads, Facebook ads, and Pinterest. On Pinterest, I do it a very, very slick way. I use the same method as people that are on a platform making up to $100,000 a month. I create a content site. This content site is centered around, let's say, a few ebooks or a few planners that are all focused on one topic. So let's say like the finance related topic. I'll create a finance related blog in order to promote those planners. So if I create a finance related blog and I have planners for sale, let's say $27 to $47, all I have to do is put out related content on that blog, promote those blog posts on Pinterest with very attractive pins, and drive traffic to blog posts. Now, this is when the power kicks in because Pinterest is a platform of repinning. So let's say I have somebody repin my blog post, and within that blog post, I have digital products. I have a PLR planner there for $27. Well, if they repin that to their Pinterest board and somebody come to their Pinterest board and then they repin it and then they repin it and so on and so on, I'll turn around and I'll have my product linked to 100, 200, 300 different Pinterest boards while people are checking out people's boards that I don't even know, checking out my blog posts whenever they see it on their board, purchasing my product, and I just made sales while I sleep from somebody that I don't even know and don't even know me. That's the power of something like Pinterest. So putting these systems in place is truly next level. And whenever you can use something like ChatGPT to generate sales copy and to generate Pinterest copy for your Pinterest pins, the sky's truly the limit with how much money you can make. Again, this right here will build your income in a way to where even if you have a problem at your 9-to-5 job, let's say you get replaced by AI in 2 years from now, what if you have an income coming in that matches that 9-to-5 income or even surpasses it? You won't even care if you lose your job. So this is just something I wanted to talk to you about because a lot of people are just going to a job, clocking in, and you may be one of those people, and you don't even have any plans just in case. And if you don't have no plans just in case, that has to be a very scary situation that you are in. And I already know it is because it's a dangerous situation to be in. So working a 9-to-5 job, not having a plan in place, you don't have to be that way. You don't have to do that. All you have to do is you have to put a system in place or multiple systems that's going to prepare you for anything that may come your way. So digital products are something that are really powerful that you can tap into, and you can start earning money as soon as tomorrow, as long as you have this stuff in place now. Now, everybody's not going to start selling digital products and see a $17 sale in 24 hours. It just don't work that way. But if you get, let's say, a Facebook ad approved, and this Facebook ad get approved within 2 hours, and you put it in front of the right audience, a $17 sale or even 10 of them can come in within 24 hours. I've personally done it, and I've seen other people do it as well. A big problem is people really think that it has to take years in order to start seeing sales online. Maybe you even think that. I don't know where these thoughts come from. I guess these thoughts are generated if you are somebody that's never done it before, or others that think this way, but it doesn't have to take years to start seeing sales roll in. And I'm living proof of that. And again, there's many others that's living proof of it as well. So now what it's time for you to just think about, do I want to build systems that will work for me while I sleep and while I clock into my 9 to 5? Or do I want to keep clocking in blindly, and if something happens tomorrow, I'm just doomed? So that's a question that you have to answer yourself. I can't answer that. Your family can't answer that. Nobody can answer that question but you. But one thing is for certain, if you continue to do things blindly and AI's on the rise, you're most likely going to be in for a rude awakening. I just wanted to make this video to let you know that there are so many different ways to make money online, but there's one way, again, that I've proven that has personally changed my life and many other lives, and that is selling PLR digital products. So what I want to do right now is I want to let you know about something extremely powerful and something that I launched recently. And what that is it's called PLR Wealth Accelerator. This is a community that I wanted to create to teach you all of my strategies and all of my systems. It's a copy and paste community, basically, because when you join, you get the products that I sell like crazy. You get the exact wording that I use in ads, and you also get classes on how to start making money within 24 hours selling PLR digital products. PLR Wealth Accelerator is going to take you from where you are now to wherever you want to be financially. It's not going to make you $1 million overnight, but if you're looking to match or replace your job income in 60 days, this is definitely the community for you. So if you want to tap into PLR Wealth Accelerator, go ahead and hit the link in the description of this video to get enrolled. I'm not going to push you to join heavy, because only you know if you want to set yourself up in a way to where you be safe just in case you lose your job tomorrow. So it's completely up to you if you want to do that, but private label rights digital products can protect you in a way to where you don't have to worry about where your next dollar is going to come from if you do lose your job. So this can be your exit plan if you are somebody that would like an exit plan. But again, if you are somebody that want to walk into your 9 to 5 blindly, this probably is not the video or the community for you to join. So hit the link in the description if you are somebody that definitely want to tap into PLR Wealth Accelerator and start learning about PLR products overall. We're going to have a lot of fun in this community, and I'm going to teach you how to really skyrocket online selling digital products and PLR products at that. So get in, look forward to my powerful training and everything that I've done to make millions selling PLR products, and just get ready to learn some stuff that could potentially change your life within the next few months.